Hey guys, and welcome to Deep Space. In these videos, I hope to teach you some JavaScript. So let's begin. What is JavaScript? It's a programming language. Everything that we do on a computer is written using a programming language. There are many different programming languages, and JavaScript is one of them. And JavaScript was originally created for the web, to make websites dynamic. But what is a programming language? A programming language is a way to talk to computers. Here's a computer, and here's a programmer, the guy or girl who writes program. Computers only understand machine code, machine language. But for us humans, writing code in machine language is hard, so humans prefer human-readable code. They call it human-readable code, but it's not like plain English or your native language. So that's where translators come in. Some programming languages work with compilers, while others work with interpreter. JavaScript uses interpreter to translate human-readable code to machine machine language, because that's the only language computers understand. And some programming languages can use both. So that was intro to programming. To begin learning JavaScript, you have to know basics of HTML and CSS, and you need tools like text editor. I'll be using Sublime Text, but you can use Visual Studio Code, Atom, Notepad++, or online text editors like CodePen.io, GSFiddle.net. Use which text editor you feel comfortable with. Also, I personally recommend you have to know at least arithmetic and algebra, but I leave it up to you. You decide whether you have to know it or not. To begin, on your desktop, create a folder and name it anything you want. Here I have JavaScript file. Inside that, create one HTML file. Open your folder with your text editor. Here I'm using Sublime Text. And in my HTML file, I have some basic template or boilerplate. Now, on the web, your JavaScript lives inside your HTML. So there are three places you can put your JavaScript. The first one is inside the head tab of your HTML. Use script tab to place JavaScript. Now the second place is inside the body tab. Just before the closing body tab, place your JavaScript code here. Now you can also place, you can separate your JavaScript from your HTML like this. Create a folder, new folder, save it, call it something .js, app.js. Now just try to link CSS file. file.css. We can link JavaScript files to this also up.js. That's the file path for my JavaScript file. In the next video, we'll write our first JavaScript code. See you then.